8 secrets to help you practice self-discipline quickly. Self-discipline is a long and arduous process. You have to trade a lot of things and sacrifice personal desires to achieve the result. In this article, we will go with you to learn about self-discipline and the immutable principles of self-discipline. 8 immutable principles of self-discipline. To be able to practice self-discipline, you need to have a plan and clear goals. You need to know what you need to do and how to do it, step by step. Below, we will share with you 8 basic principles to help you discipline yourself. 1. Have a clear life goal. The first thing you need for self-discipline is a clear life goal. No one lives and is motivated to work without knowing what they are doing. So to be able to start practicing self-discipline, you need to have a clear and specific goal. The more specific the goal, the greater your motivation to work toward it. When choosing a goal, you need to keep 2 things in mind: that the goal is big enough and that it can be accomplished. A big enough goal exceeds your current capacity. It must exceed what you have at the moment. Only then will you be motivated to strive and develop yourself in a positive direction. But a good goal is achievable. If a goal is too far-fetched and unrealistic, it will quickly discourage you and cause you to give up. 2. Work with a specific plan. The second principle in self-discipline training is to work with a specific plan. When you have a goal, you must have a detailed action plan. This helps you know what to do first, what to do later, and what to resubmit. A specific plan must be accompanied by small results and goals. This sub-goal is broken down into different phases. As you go through these stages, you need to look back and evaluate how your results have compared to the plan laid out. It will help you improve the things that are not good and create greater motivation for you in the future. 3. Immediate action. If you procrastinate, you still fail. Take action immediately when you are looking to improve it. As long as you procrastinate, your positive energy will gradually disappear. You will no longer want to continue the action for the next period. 4. Form a constant habit. Along with immediate action, it is becoming a constant habit. To be able to practice self-discipline, you need to act continuously and without interruption. No matter what the reason is, you must take action on a continuous and ongoing basis when there is a difficulty that hinders your action. You must immediately find a solution to the problem rather than look for someone to blame. Only in this way can you train yourself to have good perseverance and discipline. 5. Away from temptations. The fifth principle of self-discipline is to stay away from temptations. As human beings, we all have our desires and preferences. And there are countless temptations out there that make it easy to get carried away. You cannot be confident in yourself if you cannot overcome all the temptations of life. Instead of waiting for them to attack, stay as far away from them as possible. Because even if you are strong enough to overcome it, you will lose time because of it. You will be distracted and no longer focus on the work you are doing. 6. Focus on work. The sixth principle of self-discipline is to focus on one or more specific tasks. We are humans, so we can only do certain things well. Avoid taking on too many things at once. If you try to get too many things done at once, you may lose your discipline. You are easily distracted and bored and indulge in everyday pleasures. 7. Balance time and health. Self-discipline is a long and methodical process. You should not try to push yourself beyond your limits in a short period. Because if you do, you will not be able to continue in the future. Try to strike a balance between work and rest. In a long battle, your balance breaks with your health. Of course, you can't break the rules you've set. Give yourself free time, but rest and health are guaranteed to the maximum. 8. Find a companion. The eighth rule is to find yourself a companion. Remember the principle that if you want to go far, go together. So no one lives alone in a world where they are alone. Find like-minded people who are like-minded and live with the same goal in mind to collaborate with. They will help you regain morale and motivation to work diligently as well as discipline yourself over a long period. Make sure they have good self-control as well. Only then will you be motivated to strive and develop yourself in the best way possible. If you choose someone who quickly gives up on your goals, you will probably do the same. Accordingly, to be able to discipline yourself, you need to have a clear goal, a specific action plan, and a persistent effort. To achieve success, you must sacrifice immediate benefits and temporary desires.